Hello trader. Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to grow in price, giving the opportunity for both speculative earnings and passive income in long-term investments. If you are a trader, then how to make money on binary option on cryptocurrencies? What strategies should you use? Answer: make money on proven indicators and technical analysis strategies. To start trading on the vfxalert website, select the license that suits you, or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. We start with trend indicators. The most classic will be moving average. The strategy opens options at the average intersection. Experienced traders can trade bounces. Binary signals are only on the trend, we do not trade on the flat. The strategy uses two sets of moving averages. Two exponential moving averages with periods 18 and 28. Determine the direction of the medium-term trend. On the flute at high volatility can be used as a price channel, inside which you can trade, with not less than 10 to 15 points. The breakdown will be a binary signal of a new trend. Weighted moving average with periods of 5 and 8. Assess the strength, direction of fast trends and show the point of opening and closing options. Signals. Up call option. The fast moving average crosses slow from top to bottom or moves below the EMA. Down put option. Reverse conditions. Weighted is above the exponential average or crossing them from the bottom up. If all moving averages are close to each other, then this indicates a trend change. We remain outside the crypto market and wait for the next signal. We start with Bitcoin. Fast WMA is lower than slow EMA. vfxalert confirms downtrend, open down option. Bitcoin is very volatile intraday, but the trends are quite long. Difficulty choosing the right expiration to past strong short pullbacks. We have 5 minutes to test the current situation. Maybe you can increase the time of options up to 7 to 10 minutes. While the option is in the money, we do not break away for other cryptocurrencies. Even without additional confirmation of the strategy, the moving average makes the right signals. The price is far from the opening level. Profitable expiration. Watching Ethereum. There are almost no speculative movements, the trend changes predictably even on lower time frames. Only overbought or oversold oscillators can be used, but it is recommended to confirm them with trend indicators or crypto signals. The moving average from the first strategy will do. The strategy uses two oscillators. Stochastic with a period of 5. The oscillator will assess the current balance between buyers and sellers. The predictor above level 80 minus the end of the uptrend, overbought, below 20 minus the end of the downtrend, oversold. Fast oscillator with the first signal of a trend reversal and a new crypto option. Period 21 confirms the signal from the fast stochastic. Trading signals. Up option. 2 stochastic moves down from the overbought zone. Down option. Opposite signals, stochastic up from the oversold zone. Oscillators indicate uptrend. Fast stochastic is already in the oversold zone. But the slow oscillator and vfxalert confirm the continuation of the uptrend. Open call option. Oscillators show the situation in 2 time frames on the working chart. This is a standard technique for signal confirmation in technical analysis. For example, this is how the 3 screens of Elder strategy works. But here you do not need to open 3 charts, everything can be seen from the oscillators. The strategy is well complemented by trend indicators, but it can work as an independent tool. Oscillators continue to move towards the overbought zone. 30 seconds before expiration, uptrend continues. The strategy worked. The option is in profit. We look at other strategies. Next strategy. On a sideways movement of 30 to 40 points, channel indicators based on moving average work well with confirmation from trend strength oscillators. Important, such indicators show only the strength of the trend, then the direction. There may be price divergences, additional confirmation is needed. Indicators. Bollinger Bands. The horizontal direction of the BB lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of the lines will be the binary signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. Commodity Channel Index. A technical indicator that shows how far the price has deviated from its average range over the specified number of periods. This will be the first confirmation of the Bollinger Bands signal. Signals. Up option. The price is above the lower border or the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. The CCI oscillator is up or above the level of 100. Down option. Reverse conditions. The price is below the average or a rebound from the upper boundary of the Bollinger. CCI from level 100. The price is from the upper Bollinger border. CCI confirms the trend slowdown and reversal. On the vfxalert signal for the second down option. Bitcoin is the backbone of any cryptocurrency strategy. All currencies go for Bitcoin, albeit with a delay. New altcoins may not work like that. There is usually speculation and technical analysis does not work. Choose currencies from the top 10 in terms of volume and capitalization. Even speculative income on them will be higher than on new digital coins. Trouble is near Bollinger average, but downtrend continues. Price is down from the opening level and the upper Bollinger. CCI indicates a change in the balance of power to sellers. The downtrend continues. The option is in profit. Bollinger periods can be extended on altcoin. Basic technical indicators work well on all cryptocurrencies, but you can improve the results using non-standard options. We look at the charts from TradingView in the vfxalert program. The strategy crypto signal uses two non-standard indicators. MA cross. Two exponential moving averages with periods of 9 and 21. The crossover cross on the price chart shows a change in the short-term trend. It is not recommended to change the basic parameters. SMI ergodic indicator. The oscillator confirms the MA cross signal. The price smooths out the market noise using the momentum index algorithm, determining the strength of the trend. Then stochastic confirms the onset of oversold, and the price reversal. Crypto signals. Up option. On the MA cross, the cross is from the bottom up, the SMI oscillator is above the zero level. Down option. Reverse conditions, oscillator is below zero level, crossover from top to bottom at MA cross. MA cross, oscillator and vfxalert confirm the third down option. The first was an upward impulse, then the option returned to profit. New correction. Ethereum is highly volatile, this is rarely the case. You need to wait for expiration. Any strategy does not give 100% profit, you need to test it. Choose the volume of the transaction and money management. The downtrend will probably continue and the strategy is working. If we change the standard parameters, we start with MA cross, the oscillator usually works correctly. The price is close to the opening level. Complex option, non-standard indicators work. But, you need to test before real account. There may be more false signals than on classic instruments. We are waiting for expiration. The option is in profit. Let backquote as summarize. Classic technical analysis strategies work on volatile cryptocurrencies. We earn money on cryptocurrencies 24 hours, 7 days a week, when other markets are closed. Despite the small capitalization compared to currency pairs and stock assets, cryptocurrencies are a real trading tool that gives a good and stable profit.